Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to disable status sharing to Facebook on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device and ensure that you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on Updates located at the top of the screen. This will take you to the Updates section. Step 3. Next to the Status option, tap on the three dots icon. This will open a drop-down menu. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, tap on the Facebook icon. This will take you to the Facebook settings. Step 5. Within the Facebook settings, tap on Disable Status Sharing to Facebook. Step 6. Finally, tap on Disable to confirm and disable the status sharing to Facebook. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable the status sharing to Facebook on WhatsApp and maintain your privacy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and tips. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy chatting.